Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are working on a Toyota Coaster 97. Just give us a bit of a rundown on what we've been doing lately. We've just finished off the ceiling. We used clipboard from Bunnings, which is that stuff there. As you can see, it's got a slit and a groove. This is super light, this stuff. I used that on the ceiling, and it's really easy to put it on the curb as well. So we took out the aircon on one side, and it goes beautiful on that groove. It just goes right around nicely. We decided to keep the air conditioning on one side, so at least we've got some bit of coolness going on in here. That's including in the bedroom at the back. So that's all going all the way down to the front. So it's got actually more power because one side's off. So as soon as you turn that on, it just blows so much air out. It cools the bus down quite quickly. We had a panel over here which was the chipboard stuff. It was super heavy, so I decided to pull that down as well, and we put this here instead, the same stuff that we used on the ceiling. So it all matches now, all suits. Just a little tip when you're doing it, where they join up, as you can see this one here, I haven't glued it yet because this one here I'm not finished with the top, but each one of these I used enamel gaps and filled up the gaps because it looks stupid once you paint it. As you can see, that gap. Yeah, we went with the clipboard, clip-in boards on the ground here as well, on the floor. Yeah, just a bit of a rundown what we're up to. That's my battery system I'm testing. I run it all the time in here. You can see my battery capacity is at 100, and that's running like all the lights in here. Everything in here runs off the solar. The lights, the pumps, my water heater, everything's all of 12 volt from here, from the bus down. This is our shower. Got a little basin. Yeah, made a little sticker, get naked. But yeah, it's almost done. It's almost ready for kitchen. That's our hot water system here, which is continuous hot water. We're going to build this is where the fridge is going to be, in this corner. I put all installation all through these here, through the walls, both sides of the bus, back. The cooktop's going to be about here somewhere, and then we're going to have the sink just here. You can see the tap work. This is all working, it's all running perfect. Sorry about the mess, guys, but when you're building a bus, you seem like you just start collecting stuff as you go along all the time, and you're cleaning up, you're always doing that. But yeah, this is the finish on my roof. We tried a couple different things, and then I come back to this. You know what? It only cost us, because it comes in 5 meter length from Bunnings, I think it only cost me like 110 bucks. Just do the whole roof and including that panel down there. Because over here I'm going to have a seat, and that's going to kick in here. I'm going to have a little wall and have some plants dangling from the side. A chair there, table here, another chair here, and on this side here I'm going to have a pantry built up, custom built. And all the drawers and stuff on this side as well. So there's going to be plenty of storage. Plus we've got storage underneath the back of the bus as well. I'm running two 50 litre tanks of water out the back. I'm thinking about putting another one. We'll see how we go with the testing later on. If I feel like it's not enough water, I'll add another one. But I've got everything up here. I can just click it on and off when I want to. I've got the iTech Weld inverter at the back. That thing works amazing. But yeah, anyway guys, that's what I'm up to. Thanks for watching our videos. I'll keep you posted on what we're doing. Oh, the next thing, sorry guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing is the roof up here. I'm going to be using that solar reflection stuff, which is like a membrane. I'm going to sand all those little bits that you can see, all those little rusty bits and stuff like that. I'm going to sand them all back. I'm going to prep them up with some of that Preps primer. And the lady in Queensland who's supplying me the material for the top, she reckons you can paint straight over the top of it. Once you've prepped it all, you can paint straight on top of the metal. So let's see how that goes. I'll do another video on that and let you know what's going on. She reckons 4 litres will do the whole roof, but I reckon it'll be less, only because I've got solar panels on the roof, which is taking a lot of the room up. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I'll give you an update, and I'll do a couple of videos on what I'm doing up there, hopefully next week. Cheers, guys. Sure is.